Hi guys, this is GSNOM.com and I'm here with the freshly unveiled Honor 20 Pro. It's got a quad camera setup at the back side and it's a pretty interesting handset with a Kirin 980 CPU inside. It's got a 4000 mAh battery and it places the fingerprint scanner at the side in the power button. Now let's get to the camera. So this one here in the middle, 48 megapixel shooter with the same Sony sensor as the Zenfone 6, 16 megapixel shooter with ultra wide above it, probably the one from the Mate 20 Pro, and then we have the 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, 5x hybrid zoom, and you should also have 30x digital zoom. And this one here, it's supposed to be a 2 megapixel macro camera, and this is the LED flash. Of course, we have a glass facade, we have a glass back, metal frame in between, and the 32 megapixel selfie camera in a beautiful, the smallest cutout in the screen they could make. That's what Honor is claiming, the smallest cutout they could make. So we're here at GSNOM.com. You can see our website scrolling on this screen. And speaking of screen, we're getting here a 6.26-inch panel, Full HD Plus, and once again Kirin a 980 CPU inside, 4000 mAh battery, 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage. We're running on Android Pie with Magic UI on top. Let's check out the camera and the camera options. We got your portrait mode, we got your night mode, we got your AR lens. I also have a photo mode, video, and more. Quite a few options here. Pro, slow-mo, panorama, aperture, light painting, and so forth. Of course, you have gesture navigation, and I'm going to try multitasking. And from what I've heard, this phone already scored 111 points in the ExoMark, so it's supposed to be pretty badass when it comes to the camera. It feels like a rival for the P30. It fits between the Huawei P30 and the P30 Pro. That's the vibe I'm getting. Okay, talked about the CPU and the specs, talked about the camera. There's also a laser focus here below the sensors, right here. So that's about it. My first impression, feels pretty light, draws a few fingerprints, has a 3D mesh at the back, which catches light in a nice way. We have a phantom black version, we have a phantom green and phantom blue version, and the official ambassador of the phone is Dele Alli from Tottenham, which plays the Champions League final against Liverpool. So the price should be around 599 euros, which probably translates to about $550 or maybe $600. This is from GSNOM.com. Bye bye.